In the current dynamic business landscape, organizations often find it challenging to monitor and develop employee competencies effectively, resulting in skill shortages and hindered growth. Existing systems may lack real-time data and personalized development plans, leading to inefficient training investments. Introducing AcademyX, a next-generation competency solution, is tailored for corporates to facilitate effective planning, design, and delivery of upskilling and knowledge. AcademyX enables continuous, self-paced, personalized, anywhere, anytime training, focused on competency development, supports management in optimizing training while enhancing the upskilling outcomes, maximizes facility utilization, and optimizes cost. Furthermore, AcademyX has advanced analytics and artificial intelligence for predicting the employee at risk of underperformance for early intervention, skill gap monitoring and development, tailored leadership upskilling and training recommendations, and many more. AcademyX supports various training strategies, enabling leadership and employees to be proactive and enhancing the training experience. AcademyX is customizable and supports a centralized, secured training network, optimizing the infrastructure costs. In summary, AcademyX is a next-generation holistic competency solution that delivers strategic advantages to your company.